This is a little piece of Italian classical guitar. The tune is over 200 years old and would have been the inspiration behind songs like Nothing Else Matters and Everybody Hurts. You will hear the similarity in styles once you get playing the tune. And once you correctly learn this tune, then you could look at some of those other tunes yourself. The best way to do this is to break the fingerstyle into small steps. First of all, heel pad on the bridge. Secondly, if you can get your thumb to pick the 6th string with downstrokes, and at the same time, can you get your 3rd finger to pick upstrokes on the 1st string, pinching. That's the first step. If you've got that, we can keep going. If not, pause the video for a second. And when you've got it, we'll continue. The next step will be to get our fingers positioned. First finger, the nail is on the 3rd string, 2nd finger is on the 2nd string, and 3rd finger is on the 1st string. And my knuckles are very high, and my fingers are angled 45 or so degrees, not too much because we don't want that sound, but definitely not straight up either. About that angle is good. The thumb should be out of the way. So the next piece of the fingerstyle will be 3rd finger, 2nd, 1st. Keep repeating that. Again, if you pause the video for a couple of seconds until you groove it, and then speed it up. So you can pause there, and as soon as you have it, we can continue. The next step is to count 1, 2, 3 as you're doing this, so that we can position the thumb in a minute in the right place. So not 1, 2, 3, not like that. This will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, you can pause the video for a minute until you're comfortable at counting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next step is to bring the thumb back in. So it's going to pinch with the 1st string, but not with the 2nd and not with the 3rd. Bring it in with the 1st string as we did a few minutes ago. Again, if you want to pause the video, that's fine. And as soon as you have that, we're ready to move to the next step. We're nearly there now. The reason I asked you to count is because the thumb comes in on the 1st beat, but not on the 2nd, not on the 3rd. So each time you count 1, you bring in the thumb as well. 3, 1, 2, 3. If you don't do that when you play the tune, the thumb will smother the tune. But if you can get it on the 1st beat only, 1, 2, 3, 1. You've that nice bass note harmonizing all your high notes here. And that completes the fingerstyle. So if you want to pause the video now and groove that fingerstyle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's also tabbed out on your worksheet.